Looking for wide open space, luxury living, and nature, and on 4 acres, and a place your family and animals will love? This custom 4-bedroom, 3-bath home on 4 acres in Dayton, Texas, in the White Oaks Trail subdivision is everything. Equestrian friendly, room for horses, chickens, FFA animals, even build that dream shop or pool you've been wanting. This beautiful home is only 15 minutes to Angel Lagoon and Blackjack Equestrian Center for fun and entertainment. But what you won't believe, it has a theater room, a home office with window, a custom chef kitchen with pull-out cabinets and drawers. Sip your tea on the front or back patios or picnic under your own shade tree. The home is just steps to the community pond and park, playground, and neighborhood horse trails. And yes, deer, foxes, and baby fawns. And as a matter of fact, the seller hasn't mowed the back acreage because the baby fawns are being born there now. Modern comfort meets Texas country charm. DM me, Gaynell Blackshear with Blackshear Realty before someone else finds this amazing property.